As we all know, World Population Day is observed globally on 11th July every year. This event was established by the Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme in 1989. This day is observed to raise awareness among people about the impacts of growing population and issues including gender equality, the importance of family planning, poverty, maternal health, human rights, etc.
The world is currently facing many major issues like pollution, epidemics, pandemics, illiteracy, unemployment, etc. Among all this, population growth is the biggest problem.
Health and wellness is being to be affected by the overpopulation of people on the planet. Overpopulation affects all of us as scarcity of food will increase pollution and will increase pollution and global warming became even more of a problem.
Current estimates indicate that roughly 83 millions of people are being added to the world's population every year. It took hundreds of thousands of years for the world's population to grow to 1 billion. Then it just another 200 years, also it grown sevenfold.
In 2011, the global population reached at 7 billion and today it stands at 7.7 billion and it's expected to grow to around 8.5 billion in 2030, 9.7 billion in 2050 and 10.9 billion in 2100. Though the population is a valuable resource for every country, excess of this is not good for the balance. Growth and development resulting in poverty, hunger, drought, death due to starvation, etc. Good education and proper awareness can help in reducing the problem of population.
On World Population Day, we all must focus on striking a balance between population and resources to establish harmony and peace in the world. It is our duty and responsibility to control the population and to create the world which has space and resources for all.